How's it going, guys? I'm in the new 2020 Passat, and I'm going to do a test on the Park Pilot system for parallel parking to make sure that it operates. So we're going to hit the Park Pilot button, and it's activated now on the MFI. So we're going to drive forward until it finds a spot, which there should be one here coming up. And then eventually it'll tell us to put it in reverse, but it's got to find the spot first. Okay, there we go. Put it in reverse. Let your foot off the brake. Starts doing its thing. Not touching the steering wheel. Start turning us the other way. There we go. The indicator shows us when to stop, that white bar. Okay, drive. And we're there. And a good parallel spot here. Okay, now we're going to put in park. We're going to press this again. We're going to turn on the turn signal. Put it in drive. And it'll get us out. There we go. System works really, really well. Parallel parking's pretty fun when the car does it for you. So you just got to control the gas and the brake and the gear shift lever, but everything else, it's automatic. It's pretty cool.